The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They are rapidly transforming our world, particularly the landscape of work as we know it. AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives, influencing how we perform tasks and interact with technology. The looming question isn't whether AI will reshape the job market, it's how profoundly and how soon. The pace of change is accelerating, and we must be prepared for the shifts that are already underway. The year 2035 has emerged as a critical marker, with predictions suggesting that up to 50% of jobs could be replaced by AI by that year. This projection underscores the urgency of adapting to these technological advancements. This isn't just about robots on assembly lines. AI's impact will be felt across industries, from transportation and logistics to healthcare and finance. Every sector will experience a transformation in how work is conducted. Understanding the implications of this AI revolution is not merely an academic exercise, but an urgent necessity for individuals, businesses, and policymakers alike. The decisions we make now will shape the future of work for generations to come. The integration of AI into various sectors is already automating routine tasks, increasing efficiency, and changing the very nature of work. This shift is creating new opportunities while also posing significant challenges. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they are poised to take on increasingly complex responsibilities, potentially displacing millions of workers across the globe. This evolution necessitates a re-evaluation of our skills and roles in the workforce. This impending shift demands our attention, prompting us to prepare for a future where human skills and AI capabilities will need to coexist and complement each other in unprecedented ways. Collaboration between humans and AI will be key to success. The stakes are high, but by embracing a proactive and informed approach, we can navigate this transformative period and harness the power of AI to create a more prosperous and equitable future of work for all. The potential benefits are immense if we act wisely. The urgency to comprehend and adapt to these changes cannot be overstated. We must act now to ensure a smooth transition. The decisions we make today, as individuals choosing career paths, as businesses strategizing for the future, and as societies shaping policy, will determine the trajectory of this AI-driven revolution. Our collective actions will define the outcome. This is not a distant threat, but a present reality unfolding before our very eyes. The changes are happening now, and we must be ready. The time for complacency is over. The time for action is now. We must seize this moment to shape a future where AI and humanity thrive together. The transformative wave of AI is not impacting all industries equally. Some sectors stand on the front lines, particularly susceptible to significant job displacement due to the nature of their tasks and the rapid progress of AI capabilities in those domains. Manufacturing, a sector that has already experienced substantial automation over the past few decades, is poised for another seismic shift. Advanced robotics equipped with AI-powered vision systems and dexterity are capable of performing increasingly intricate assembly and inspection tasks, potentially displacing a significant portion of the human workforce in factories worldwide. The transportation and logistics industry is another prime candidate for AI-driven disruption. Self-driving trucks and delivery drones are rapidly moving from science fiction to reality, threatening to upend traditional trucking and delivery jobs. As these technologies mature and regulations adapt, the potential for increased efficiency and cost savings will be a powerful driver of automation in this sector. The rise of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants is already transforming customer service and administrative roles. These intelligent systems can handle routine inquiries, schedule appointments, and even resolve basic technical issues, reducing the need for human intervention in many customer-facing interactions. As AI natural language processing abilities improve, these systems will become even more sophisticated, potentially handling a wider array of tasks and further automating these job categories. The financial industry, known for its reliance on data analysis and risk assessment, is also experiencing the growing influence of AI. Algorithms are being deployed to analyze market trends, identify investment opportunities, and even make trading decisions with minimal human oversight. This trend towards algorithmic decision-making has the potential to reshape financial institutions, potentially impacting roles ranging from stockbrokers to loan officers. While the march of AI automation may seem like an unstoppable force, there are certain realms of work where human capabilities remain paramount. Tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and complex problem-solving are likely to remain firmly in the human domain for the foreseeable future. AI excels at recognizing patterns and making predictions based on vast datasets, but it struggles to replicate the uniquely human ability to think outside the box, generate novel ideas, and devise innovative solutions to unforeseen challenges. Jobs that demand high levels of emotional intelligence, such as those in healthcare, education, and social work, are also less susceptible to complete automation. Humans possess an innate capacity for empathy, compassion, and understanding that AI systems, despite their growing sophistication, cannot fully replicate. The human touch remains essential in professions where building trust, providing emotional support, and navigating the complexities of human interaction are paramount. Consider the role of a therapist, for example. While AI-powered chatbots might be able to provide basic counseling or cognitive behavioral therapy exercises, they lack the nuanced understanding of human emotions and the ability to respond with empathy and compassion that are essential to effective therapy. The same principle applies to educators, who play a crucial role not only in imparting knowledge, but also in inspiring, motivating, and nurturing the social and emotional development of their students. Furthermore, jobs that involve complex ethical decision-making, judgment, and the ability to interpret and apply subjective criteria are likely to remain within the purview of human expertise. For instance, while AI algorithms can assist judges in analyzing legal precedents or assessing risk factors, they cannot replace the nuanced judgment and ethical considerations that judges must weigh when making sentencing decisions or interpreting the law in complex cases. Section 4. The rise of AI-powered professions. The integration of artificial intelligence into the workplace will undoubtedly lead to job displacement in certain sectors, but it will also create entirely new categories of work that we are only beginning to imagine. These new roles will span across various industries from healthcare to finance, and even creative fields like art and music. These emerging professions will require a blend of technical skills, creativity, and adaptability. Professionals will need to continuously update their knowledge and skills to keep pace with the rapid advancements in AI technology. As AI systems become more prevalent, there will be a growing demand for professionals who can design, develop, implement, and manage these complex technologies. This will include roles such as AI engineers, machine learning specialists, and data scientists. One such emerging field is AI ethics, which focuses on ensuring that AI systems are developed and deployed responsibly and ethically. This field is crucial in addressing the potential biases and ethical dilemmas that AI systems might introduce. AI ethics consultants will play a crucial role in navigating the complex moral and societal implications of AI, helping organizations develop guidelines and best practices for using AI in a fair, unbiased, and transparent manner. They will also be involved in educating the public and policymakers about the ethical use of AI. Another promising area is robot training, which involves teaching robots how to perform specific tasks and adapt to new environments. This field will require a deep understanding of both robotics and human-robot interaction. As robots become more sophisticated and are integrated into various industries, there will be a need for skilled trainers who can program these robots, monitor their performance, and ensure they operate safely and effectively. This will be particularly important in sectors like manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. Data storytelling is another emerging field that blends technical expertise with creative communication. This role will be essential in making complex data accessible and understandable to a wider audience. As organizations collect and analyze vast amounts of data, there will be a growing need for data storytellers who can translate complex data sets into compelling narratives that inform decision-making and engage stakeholders. These professionals will bridge the gap between data scientists and business leaders. The rise of AI-powered professions will not only create new job opportunities but also transform existing roles. Traditional jobs will evolve to incorporate AI tools, enhancing productivity and efficiency. For instance, lawyers will increasingly rely on AI-powered tools to analyze legal documents, conduct research, and even predict the outcome of cases. These tools will help them manage their workload more effectively. However, their role will evolve to focus on higher-level tasks such as strategy, negotiation, and client counseling, leveraging AI as a powerful tool to enhance their expertise. This shift will allow legal professionals to provide more value to their clients and focus on complex problem-solving. Section 5. Navigating the shifting sands, adapting to the evolving job market. The rapid evolution of the job market in the face of AI demands proactive adaptation from individuals and institutions alike. As AI continues to advance, the landscape of employment is shifting at an unprecedented pace, requiring a dynamic response from all sectors of society. Traditional education and career paths may not adequately prepare individuals for the skills and knowledge required in an AI-driven economy. The conventional methods of teaching and learning are becoming increasingly obsolete in the face of rapid technological advancements. Lifelong learning, upskilling, and reskilling will become essential for individuals to remain competitive in the job market. Continuous education and training will be the cornerstone of career development in this new era. Embracing a growth mindset, characterized by a willingness to learn new skills, adapt to change and embrace challenges, will be crucial for navigating the uncertainties of the future of work. This mindset will empower individuals to take control of their career trajectories. Individuals who are comfortable with ambiguity, adaptable to new technologies and possess strong problem-solving and critical thinking skills will be well-positioned to thrive in this dynamic environment. These attributes will be the key differentiators in a competitive job market. Educational institutions will play a vital role in preparing students for the workforce of the future. They must evolve to meet the demands of an AI-driven world. Curricula need to evolve to incorporate AI literacy, data science, and computational thinking. These subjects will be fundamental in equipping students with the necessary skills to succeed. Collaboration between educational institutions and industry leaders will be essential to ensure that students are equipped with the relevant skills and knowledge demanded by the evolving job market. This partnership will bridge the gap between education and employment. Governments and policymakers also have a crucial role to play in facilitating a smooth transition to an AI-driven economy. Their support and guidance will be pivotal in shaping the future workforce. Investing in education and training programs, supporting workforce development initiatives, and fostering an environment that encourages innovation and entrepreneurship will be essential for mitigating the potential negative consequences of job displacement. These efforts will help create a resilient and adaptable workforce. Moreover, addressing the ethical and societal implications of AI, such as algorithmic bias, data privacy, and the potential for job displacement, will require proactive policy interventions. These considerations are critical for ensuring a fair and just transition. Establishing clear ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment, promoting transparency and accountability in AI systems, and ensuring that the benefits of AI are shared equitably across society will be critical challenges for policymakers to address. These measures will help build public trust and ensure that AI serves the greater good.